What's up guys? If your Xiaomi Mi router is not working, you have some connection problems or issues with Wi-Fi speed, never mind which model exactly do you use. First of all, check the physical connections. Check if your router is connected to your modem or LAN socket or whatever you use. Check for the power indicator to be on, to check for internet indicator to be on, and if physically everything is okay, I recommend you to check your router settings. And to do this, you need to go to your Wi-Fi settings. I recommend you to do this on the computer. This is the most convenient way. So open Wi-Fi settings, make sure you're connected to your Xiaomi Wi-Fi. If you are not able, in some reason not able to find your Xiaomi Wi-Fi network, try to connect via Ethernet cable directly to your laptop or PC or Mac, or whatever you use. So connect it here, and the other end connect with your laptop or with your laptop LAN port, or if you don't have LAN port, you can try to connect using some adapter, USB to LAN, something like this. Anyways, you need to connect to your router either through Wi-Fi or through cable, and then go to any web browser, type in the router's default gateway. If you haven't changed it, it must be exactly like this, 192.168.31.1. It works for any Mi routers. Now you need to log in to your router. If you don't know your admin password, you have to reset your router to its factory settings. There is no getting around it. Here, first of all, click on one of these buttons and check if the Wi-Fi is turned off, so on your router. Then you can also try to change the channel of Wi-Fi. For 2.4 GHz, I recommend you to select channel number 1 or channel number 10 or channel number 11 first. For 5G, try all of them. If some of this channel works, it's okay, but remember which channel was here initially to roll everything back. Or as the last resort, you can use hard reset. So to do hard reset, just face the back panel of your router and find the reset button. Well, here it is, the only button on your router actually, and press this button for about 3 seconds until you see some changes in power indicator. In this case, it turns amber. So reset is underway. This is, guys, now you can set up your routers from scratch, and hard reset usually solves 99.9% of problems with your router, and if it didn't work, I think you need to contact support. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.